How should I use CANNA Rhizotonic? Shake the bottle well before each use. Look at the recommended dose. Rhizotonic is used during the whole growth circle and this plant is in phase 1. In this case, we have a 5-liter container, so we add 10 ml of Rhizotonic. Take the cap off and squeeze until you have filled up the reservoir with the recommended dose. Keep the bottle's measuring reservoir on the top side while pouring in. Be sure that the water is at room temperature between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Stir well with a plastic stick. Now, the nutrient solution is ready for watering the plants. In our sample, we are watering a basil plant with 11 liters of soil, so we are watering with 1 liter. For 11-liter pots, you can water a maximum of 1.1 liters for each watering. You will find further information on how to grow your plants in our leaflets, grow schedules and on our website.